Hi everyone, today we want to present you a new SLS demonstrator piece, wrist orthosis. This one here exactly. It is a wrist orthosis that you would maybe wear after a wrist overload or an injury when you restart to do sports again, and when there's still a need to limit your wrist's mobility in order to protect it for a while. Typically, these kind of bandages are done in fabric, and here we want to demonstrate its translation into a 3D printed, and more precisely a selective laser sintered part that has actually not forgotten its textile origins. On the contrary, the main body of the orthosis is printed in Sintratec TPE, a material that is very flexible already, plus geometry-wise, it consists of a knitted fabric, a laser sintered knitted fabric that behaves like a textile. That means it adjusts to the human body, it is breathable and very comfortable to wear, as the geometry of the knits is designed to transport the sweat away from the body. Only a PA12 closure, this is this one here, is added to adjust the wrist circumference, and 6 of these PA12 stiffeners are inserted here, 3 on the inside and 3 on the outside of the hand. The idea is, when you begin to wear the orthosis, for example after an overload, you would start with all 6 stiffeners, and you reduce the stiffness little by removing the stiffeners. The more confident you get to strain your wrist over time.